Hey, what's up everyone? Today, we're gonna to talk about iPhone 6s battery replacement. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Here on my workbench, I have an iPhone 6s that a customer brought in, said that it become really bad battery life. Let's check it. Go setting, scroll down to the battery, then check the battery health. We can see the maximum capacity showed only 71%. It's time to have a new battery. Let's tick start. The first thing you need to do is shut down the phone. Alright, the next thing we are going to do is remove these two screws on the button of phone. Then, we use the plastic pry tool, insert it into the glass and frame. It seems no enough gap yet. We use a metallic tool to pry the screen apart to help. Alright. We try to insert the plastic pry tool into the glass and frame again and pulled it around the corner like so. Just gently to do it, not slight in too much, it may break the flex cable of screen. Yeah, I'm going to open this up to 90 degrees from button side to top side. Next, we want to remove these two screws on the bracket that cover the battery connection cable. Please note, they're different size. So, keep track of which one goes where. Lift up the bracket and put it with the screws. Then disconnect the battery flex cable. Alright, we go next. We have 4 Phillips screws up here. The one in the upper right is different sized from the others. So I have the screws off, and I'll remove this plate next. There we go. Next, we can see there are 3 flex cables here. All we want to is to pry up these 3 connectors here. Alright, now we can remove the screen from the rest of assembly. Now we are gonna to work with the battery. I suggest to remove the Taptic engine first, it can give us more space to pull adhesive out. There are 2 screws here. Unscrews them, then lift Taptic engine out. So, next, we use tweezers to pull up these adhesive strips from here. There are 2 of them. But careful, do not to poke them into the battery, that could start a fire. Alright. We use our fingers to pull out the adhesive. Not too hard or fast pulling. Just gentle and steady to pull it out as one piece. Now we can take out the battery without problem. Here is our new battery for iPhone 6s. Now, gently to peel off the cover of adhesive and stick the new battery into the place should be. Make sure the connector is going to line up. There we go. Press a bit and rub it down. Looks good. So, we're gonna to put the Taptic engine back in place and reinstall the 2 screws. Alright, all we want to do is reconnecting these flex cables that put back the screens and batteries connection. Place the brackets and reinstall the screws. Be careful, don't mix up those different sized screws. It may cause the damages. Here we go. Let's turn the power on. And go on the setting function to check battery health. Maximum capacity is 100%. Perfect. And then I'll work my way from the top to the bottom, pressing it into place. Now, to re-screws the 2 screws on the bottom. Appreciate your watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you'd like to see in future videos. See you in the next videos.